So like 4 days ago, I did upload a video on this new speaker I got. The video, in my opinion, was very rushed, very unrehearsed. It was my first look at the speaker, and just everything was terrible. It was all over the place. Hindsight, long story short, I did not like the video, so I ended up deleting the video, and here I am re-uploading the video after spending a few days. I got this new DOS speaker on Amazon. It says DOS Soundbox, then it said DOS touch speaker. I don't know what to call it, so I'm gonna call it touch speaker, the DOS touch, and it is white. This is how it looks. My light is very bright, so I don't know if it's gonna focus too well. Let's see. This is the first look at the speaker. I'm gonna do a sound and bass test all in this video, unlike I did in the first video where I messed up and just showed like a 15-second clip of a song. I'm gonna do it all in this video, so stay tuned. I should not have had them 2 extra shots of vodka.
2 shots of vodka?
So I got this speaker about, it's been, I say, a little over a week now. I done had time to mess with it, play with it, figure it out. The video I did upload, I didn't know anything about it. I was just, yeah. Let's see. Just like the other DOS speaker I did a review on, it does have a card for the memory, like a memory card slot where you can stick a memory card in and play music from it. This is the charging port. This is the auxiliary, like if you want to stick one in here, one in your phone. And that's basically all that's on the back. And the power button, the on and off button, which is this little white button. It's not going to focus too much because this light is very bright and the speaker is white, so it's not going to focus too much, but a little bit. I get what I can. I'm going to turn the speaker on, push the button. It turns on just like the other one. The thing I do like about this speaker, and the things I don't like so far. Thing I don't like, unlike the first DOS speaker, it is not waterproof, it's not dust proof, so that's automatic. I mean, it don't matter if it's waterproof or dust proof. I mean, as long as the sound quality is good. Gonna play some royalty free music, and I just connected it to my phone and play some royalty free music and do like a sound test. So also, if you hear some noise, like background noise, they're outside doing some landscaping, cutting some grass, so I might have to speak up, or I might have to chop these clips up, like chop them in half and go around, because it's gonna ruin the audio. So give me a second, because they're like literally right outside of my window, right where I'm filming. And yeah, let's see if I can find, yep, I found something. Then I turn the volume all the way up on the phone. A thing I like about the speaker, to turn the volume up and down, you see this little blue circle right here. You just scroll your finger clockwise to turn it up, counterclockwise to turn it down. So then counterclockwise to turn it down, then back up. Actually, good sound quality. On the top, we have, it's actually very good sound quality. On the top, we have, let's see if it focus. This is a skip button to skip to the next song, skip to the previous song. This is a play and pause button. This is the mode button. The mode button is what you can change it from Bluetooth wireless mode, or you could change it to SD card mode. Like as soon as you search your SD card in, you hit the mode button. I'm gonna try, like I said, I'm gonna try and keep this video short, but that was like a little snippet of a song. It's not really gonna compare really to the last video because I played different music, and that's what I want to do, just play something different. I'm not gonna play the same music, but I'm gonna see if I can find something with a little more bass that's royalty free for you guys. I'm gonna look and see. Here's something. I like that you could play and pause it from just pushing the button. Like everything is like a touch screen speaker to me. That's what I like about this. Is like everything you can touch, and like I said, counterclockwise and clockwise to turn it up and down. That is basically how it sounds. Let me see what else music I can find. So the first look, hands on, the speaker is very loud. I'm gonna do in my next video, I'm gonna compare and contrast this speaker to my other DOS speaker, which I already did a review on. Link will be in the description down below. I'm gonna compare and contrast, see which one sounds the best, which one I actually like the best, because I truly like this speaker. Some things this speaker has that the other one doesn't, some that has that this one doesn't. So I'm gonna do like a compare and contrast in maybe like 4 or 5 days. My camera is flashing red. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did understand and enjoy the little sound and bass test. A little bit of what I did in this video. I did what I could. My camera actually right now is dying. I'm going to charge the battery. Look out for the next video where I compare and contrast the DOS touch speaker and the DOS portable speaker. I'm going to compare and contrast both. I'm going to do a sound test on both. See which one sounds the best. Which one sounds... Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Sorry, that was the landscapers. My dog gets really freaked out at any loud noise that he hear. Like I was saying, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video. I didn't really do too much of a review on this speaker, but I actually do really like this speaker. So far, I'm gonna cut it off. I actually really like this speaker. So I'm gonna do a compare and contrast on both speakers in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. And other than that, I've got nothing else. Peace, guys.